Hip hop is an unstoppable force, and the underground is brewing many talented artists. MTV Hustle and Gully Boy is just an indication that hip hop is becoming mainstream, and they just covered the tip of the iceberg. Today, we are covering 10 hip hop artists that we think you should listen to right after watching this video. Although there are many good artists that we feel already have mainstream attention or a movie about them, so we'll not be covering those artists here. Let's start. नंबर 10 पे आते हैं नई दिल्ली के रैपर रागा, ऑल्सो नोन एज रवि मिश्रा। भाई इन्होंने रैपिंग तो बहुत ही अर्ली एज में शुरू कर दी थी। Influenced by none other than Eminem, he has many successful singles under his name like राहत, नायक, मिली राहत and whatnot.
घर से निकले लड़ झगड़ के लड़के सर पकड़ के तड़पे करते टूटने सर पे चढ़ के कूटने को है तैयार।
His breakthrough track was Jamna Par, in which he talks about his lifestyle and the place where he is from. Known for his heavy voice and multi-syllable rhyme scheme, track by track वो hip hop में अपनी जगह strong करते जा रहे हैं।
दिमागे में खींचता नहीं पाते तूने देखी बस 20 का ले रहा था 24 का शरीर पर ये 30 का दिमागे में तेज करता ना चेस देख तेरे लाके में ग्रेस गाने लगा के फिर नाके पे पेस माँ में भी सामने।
Moving on to number 9 on our list, EPR Iyer. Representing Kolkata in hip-hop, his influences are very different from most of the rappers, like Rage Against the Machine, Cypress Hill, and many more. Coming from a background of reggae, alternate rock, rap rock, and hard rock, his music is always about a social message.
कुर्सियों पे बैठे खेल पैसों का ये खेल फ्रॉड पंथी इतने इनकी फिर भी क्यों मिले ना जेल वोट के लिए बजाए जो मंदिरों की घंटी बात टब में डूबे उबरे बुलबुले जो
Lyrics to mano inki protest poetry. One of his popular singles has been Ekla Chalo Re. Being a contestant of MTV Hustle, he has delivered a number of power-packed performances. Number 8 पर आते हैं Brother V. He's a Bangalore-based artist who was just 18 when he started text rap battles on Orkut. Known for his sharp and intelligent rhymes, he found a group called Machas with an Attitude, which consisted of Smokey the Ghost and Big Nick. He has collaborated with artists like Raghu Dikshit, Vishal Dadlani and Benny Dayal.
The thrilling urge to kill. The next second, the whole feeling reversed to guilt. I was offered the gun, that's when I dropped it for a mic. Took rap as a career and I thought that this was right. I close my eyes and give my thanks to God. Peace in my head, I'm singing this song and it goes like.
भाई 2012 में इन्हें अपनी बड़ी ब्रेक मिली with the song Atma Ram, which fused rap with Indian classical music. रफ्तार के साथ इनकी collaboration नाचने का शौक shot into fame in mainstream Hindi media in 2019. Indeed, he has come a long way.
I can see you getting jealous and look at you getting fed up cause every second and minute you be wishing that I give up but I'm a diligent sinister villainous killer that be forever at his pinnacle lyrically penning syllables so intelligent I'm bringing the finesse and I can murder any beat you give me showing no pity you phonies are petty the way they see me flowing so deadly it will bury my faults so don't test me.
Moving on to the 7th rapper on our list, Big Deal. Born to a Japanese mother and an Odia father, he was always bullied for standing out. But अपने music से इन्होंने सबको करारा जवाब दिया. He got limelight in 2014 after appearing in MTV Sync.
The Northeast, 7 sisters, Southern's lane. We belong right here, not China or Japan. No.
In 2016, he dropped his debut EP, One Kid with a Dream. The project was crowdfunded and well received by critics and fans. Rapper Big Deal released the first ever Odia rap titled Muheli Odia, and it instantly rose him to fame in Odisha. Not only all this, he was featured in MTV Hustle, and indeed, he's a hustler.
My daddy likes some with Japan and IT, but computers weren't green or cup of mighty. Still, I did my bachelor's, then I did my master's. Yes, I know I'm pretty educated for a rapper. Even got a job thinking to make my wallet fatter. Till my dreams thinner than paper, those are on a platter.
Number 6 पे आते हैं मोहाली के रैपर सिकंदर काहलू. Representing Punjab, the rapper who started his journey in around 2008 is still one of the hottest in the scene. He's badass in pulling off intelligent punchlines. Be it storytelling or dissing, the guy is the king. And that's why he's also known as the king in the north.
जिगरा पंजाबी शहीदां दी है कौम ते गोबिंद ने कहा सी बंदूकां दी नी लोड थोड़ी ते दाड़ी दसे मैं गोट जे हथ लाना लाए मैं गल्ला ना चोद
पर दादे कर देसी पुश काट अज उमर जिन्ने लख दी गड्डी पुश
He has a crew called KKG, the Kala Kurta Gang, which also includes a well-known rapper Rob C. His last major release is his 11th music album Nikhil. Often labelled as your favorite rapper's favorite rapper, he made an appearance on MTV Hustle as well. Indeed, Sikandar अपने नाम पर खड़े उतरे हैं.
एक बराबर तू है उत्ते ताई खोला तेरे लिए दरवाजा तू है जरिया खुदा दा तेरे जुगे बीज जो दुनिया चलांदा माफ करी सारे होए जेड़े रेप ली निशान छुपन वाले उत्ते लाके टेप
Number 5 पर आती है Mumbai-based rapper DMC. She started rapping at a really young age. Her breakthrough song being चार लोगों की बातें, मुंबई की शेरनी often raps about issues like gender inequality and women empowerment. She raps about breaking social barriers and spreading the message of women empowerment.
My body, my problem, nobody can solve them. They tell me not pure enough, trying to keep me far from the kitchen, the temple, the house that they live in. Vanished from all cause she's naturally bleeding. This is your limit, better be in it too. Traditions don't change, now don't be a fool.
She's one of the role models for women who want to get into hip-hop and music in general. She's earned her place in the hip-hop scene.
जरा धीमे तू चल, मंजिल की सोचे तू ना देखे सफर. आज नसीब में जो कल की देन है, ज्यादा क्या कीमती ये चेन या चैन है. चेन ये टूटा, गुरूर तेरा टूटा, पैसे का प्यासा सब मिला तो भी भूखा, चिंता को क्रश करके रोल किया फूका.
Number 4 पर आते हैं अहमर. Coming from one of the most volatile regions of our country, Kashmir, he is the voice of Kashmir and his lyrics are brutally honest and filled with rage. He often talks about the injustices he or people he knows had to face. After releasing a few singles, he released his first ever album, Little Kid, Big Dreams.
सपने छोटा लड़का बड़े सपने कैसा डरना दिखा दे पूरे करके छोटा लड़का बड़े सपने छोटा लड़का बड़े
Hip-hop can be used as a powerful means of expression and Amer is indeed a perfect example for it. His music is the soundtrack of many protests. He released a new mixtape, Inqilab, which he recorded when Kashmir was under communication blockade. He has come a long way indeed.
यहाँ दुआओं में भी दाग शैतान पड़े कल में नमाज विचार इनके पानी और जाग सत्यानाश करके सबका विकास.
Moving on to number 3, Seedhe Maut. They became popular after releasing their first EP, Do Ka Pahada. The group consists of 2 rappers, encore ABJ and MC Kam. भाई दोनों के ही अपने complex rhyme styles हैं that are filled with relatable lyrics. Often supported by the hip-hop production master Says on the beat, their flows complement each other so well and that creates the magic Seedhe Maut.
ना तू शाहरुख खान है ना सलमान है तुझ जैसे यहाँ धूल है ये रेगिस्तान है तुझ जैसे यहाँ धूल है ये रेगिस्तान है गंगा गंगा गंगाधर ही शक्तिमान है गंगा गंगाधर ही शक्तिमान है.
They shot to fame after releasing their debut album Bayan, with the song Shaktiman being one of the fan favorites. Since then, they've been consistently releasing singles and breaking barriers.
दिल करे नाक में दम करूँ बातें कम करूँ आंखें बंद करूँ जाके बम करूँ छोटा एक थोड़ा बहुत चिल के साथ में सब बड़े जान पे सब खड़े काम पे सब लगे दाव पे सब लगे फेक दोनों साथ में गो जीता लाशें बिछी मैं दोषीता पीछे से जुदे मो भीता अकेले का हाथ ही नहीं सीधा टांगी गुस्सादी भाई गेम में वेटे चू रखूंगा जेब में.
Number 2 पर आते हैं 20-year-old Mumbai-based rapper Kam Bhari. Known for his multi-syllable rapid rapping style, he's different from any other artist out there. Kam Bhari recently released a song called Mohabbat, a soulful, heartbreaking track. He rose to fame after Gully Boy, as he was featured in the movie.
दुख में तेरे मैं काटू सवेरे जो आंखों के नीचे जो काले घेरे सारे अपने बना लूं मैं तुमको चुरा लूं मैं तुमसे हम आफत आशिक इस कागज के टुकड़े पे लिखते हैं इश्क.
Gully Boy featured his track Kam Bhari. He was part of the song Shuru Kare Kya from the movie Article 15. अब भैया यूं कह लो काम भारी जल्दी पड़ने वाले हैं सब पे भारी.
बेटे को ऐसे ना सर पे चढ़ाओ ऐसे कैसे होने लगे अपराध अपने बेटों की ठरक को रोको जनाब. पेड़ काटो मेरा खून पियो मता बोले धरती के मर्जी के हो तुम खिलाफ. खेत काटा या बीज बोया तूने तेरे नाश्ते का खाना जब होगा फिर खारिज समझेगा तब संभलेगा जग जब बनेगा तो अपनी ही मर्जी का मरीज. दम घुटे मेरा अब जग से मैं मैंने रस्तों के कक्कड़ से बिल्डिंग बनाई है समझूंगा किसी ग्लोबल की वार्मिंग से लोकल के धक्के और फोकट की चाय
Before we show the number one artist, here are some honorable mentions. These artists have been consistent with their work, and you cannot talk about hip hop and not have these artists in the discussion. Before we go, we also want to share some artists to watch out for as their fan base is growing rapidly as they are hungry and going for it. इतने सारे talented artists की list देखने के बाद you might have already guessed who's the number one on our list. So are you ready for the number one rapper on our list? Drum roll, it's none other than दिल्ली के तिलक नगर का मुंडा प्रभदीप. जी हाँ, इसी छोटी सी जगह में प्रभदीप ने अपने सपने देखे. 2017 में इन्होंने अपनी डेब्यू एल्बम क्लासिक का बॉम्ब फोड़ा with major production handled by Sez on the beat. He indeed won a number of hearts through his introspective lyrics. He's one of those artists who has toured India as well as Dubai.
एक महीने दी बीमारी नाल मैं होया शक्तिशाली पर जेवा मेरी खाली एक महीने दी बीमारी नाल मैं होया शक्तिशाली पर जेवा मेरी खाली.
After some time, he released another packed project, King, which is not just a soulful one, but a very different project than his last one. प्रभदीप ने ना ही सिर्फ लोगों का दिल जीता, but अपनी एक पहचान बनाई. Rolling Stone magazine not only featured him on their cover, but rightly labeled him as the fearless rapper.
अपनी मेहनत उत्ते मेरा रब बैठा थल्ले मेरे मापियो किसे होर नू क्यों मन्ना एक गल पाला पल्ले जे होना कामयाब चंगे रस्ते ते चल ना दे किसे नू फक दूजी गल पल्ले बन कामयाबी तो बाद भी बस अगे वधी चल.
Let us know in the comment section if we missed any artists that you think should be on this list, and check out other videos on Buskbox for more artist-centric content. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop a video.